Brilliant. Okay, Austin, we're going to go for a dry shave service. You explained to me that you have problems with ingrown hair. Now, a dry shave service is an ideal way of dealing with that concern, because when we do a dry shave, we are not cutting the hair underneath the skin, whereas a wet shave, the hair is almost cut underneath the skin slightly. What a dry shave does, it allows the hair to just stay just above the skin surface. And with a dry clipper, what it does, it just rounds off the end, which means it doesn't so readily grow back into the skin. Okay, so a dry shave service is an ideal service to allow you to obviously feel great. You haven't got the itchiness from wet shaving that happens when you have afro hair, because it grows in much more of a curlier way of growing. So let's start off with the dry shave first, and we're going to take this particular tool and we're going to work and clean up this area. What I'm going to do is create the line and work in a circular motions just to make sure that we get a nice clean area to clean up underneath the beard. Now, to trim your beard, just using a clipper with a guard on there, and this just keeps everything nice and clean and smooth. So ideally, when it comes to beard trims, you want to be trimming your beard every 3 to 4 days, and this just keeps the beard looking tidy. I would recommend clippering the beard in one direction, okay? And also use a brush daily just to train the beard to grow in one direction, all right? Because sometimes beard hair can be, it most grows in many different directions. It's good to train and groom that beard to sit in one direction, all right? So keeping and brushing it and maintaining it. Now, once you've cleansed the beard and washed your face, take all the dead hair off your face and the dead skin off this area, what you want to really try and do is use an oil on the beard. And a beard oil will help to keep the beard hydrated and soft. So we then use this after just to hydrate the beard and maintain, you know, a nice shine and healthiness to the beard.
That feels good.
Feels good?
Yeah.
Looking great.